Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step tutorial on how to add PowerPoint to your Wix site. Adding a PowerPoint to your site isn't just about uploading a file, it's about how users access your content. Wix doesn't directly embed PowerPoint slides like a slideshow by default, so what you're actually doing here is creating a downloadable or clickable document button that users can open. Start by opening your Wix editor. Navigate to the section of your page where you want the PowerPoint to appear. Then click on Add Elements. What this section does, this is where you insert visual and functional components into your site. You can add text, images, buttons, files. From the list, choose Button, then look for Document Buttons. What document buttons are, these are buttons that link to downloadable or viewable files. Instead of showing the file directly on the page, users click the button, the file opens or downloads. Inside Document Buttons, find the one with the PowerPoint icon. Drag and drop it onto your page. What you just did, you placed a clickable file button on your site, but it's not connected to anything yet. Now click on the button you just added. You'll see an option to attach or choose a file. Since you don't already have a file uploaded, click on Upload Media. Then select Upload from Computer. What happens here, you're uploading your PowerPoint file into Wix's Media Manager. Supported formats usually include .ppt, .pptx. Select your PowerPoint file from your device and upload it. Once uploaded, click on the file and then click Add to Page. What just happened, your button is now linked to your PowerPoint file. When users click it, the file will open or download, depending on their device/browser. What you just did, big picture, you added a document button, uploaded a PowerPoint file, linked the file to the button. You created a way for users to access your presentation. Important clarifications. This does not embed slides directly on your page. Instead, it provides access to the file. It does not display slides like a slideshow. To summarize, adding a PowerPoint to a Wix website involves opening the Wix editor, using the Add Elements section to insert a document button, and selecting a PowerPoint-style button. After placing the button on the page, you upload your PowerPoint file through the Media Manager and link it to the button. Once connected, users can click the button to open or download the file. While this method is straightforward, it does not embed the presentation directly into the page. Instead, it provides access to the file through a clickable interface. Understanding this distinction is important to avoid confusion and to choose the right approach depending on how you want users to interact with your content. And that's how to add a PowerPoint to your Wix site. It's simple, but the key is knowing what you're actually creating. Access, not display. If your goal is just to share the file, this works perfectly. If you want a more interactive experience, you'll need a different approach. So that's how you do it. I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, and share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.